go on, Epic.
Alright, now.
Alright, let me talk to you now.
Yeah.
Alright, you say your woman should be your friend and blah, blah, blah. But guess what? It's not every woman can accept certain openness in a relationship because some woman is very jealous. Some women have insecurities. So it takes a very strong-minded woman who is secure in herself to have a very open relationship. So if that's how you go about having your relationship, then you have to know the type of person you are dealing with and match that energy because it's not everybody open to that.
Yes, a match. What if she suggest and guided that way? Thing, una even would share an extra female in the bed. That, but yet still, una is a couple. You get me? Una go everywhere, anywhere. You get me?
Let me ask you a question.
Sure.
Would you, all right, you don't have a problem if your woman bring another woman into the bedroom. How do you feel if your woman bring another man into the bedroom? What you know?
All right, you hear me? Right this up, my nose said, me now please her. It's not something that you want to experience.
Okay, so all right, like this lady. Suppose that's how she feel when a man said to her, say, "Me want bring another woman into the bedroom." Suppose that's how she feel.
But suppose that she bring a woman in the bedroom.
She not. This a woman here on the live now. Go do that. Make sure she not into them things there.
So, but that's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. Whereas
you can't take off your wig or your hat and judge that way. Me I tell you something. Me I tell you. Listen up. Each one.
Yeah, but so what the topic would say? Share. We asked about share, but that's what you. I asked the other day, Nadia. I asked him. I said, if a man asks me, and it's not about pleasing, me gonna feel the same way for true. Why me can be everything what you want? Why you want two man? Why me can everything what you want, me can do it. And you want me can do it. But what I'm saying, so it's not about pleasing. Because if you ask me to do a threesome, suppose me say, all right, a two man me want. It's not about you can please me. It's the same pleasure you get from the two woman and me want the same pleasure from the man. I'm not saying that's me. What I'm saying, that's what me. If I ask you for two man for have two man in the bedroom, that's the same pleasure. It's the same thing.
All right, can I add my tools to it? Because I know Nadia and Father Epic there one side of one. But listen to me. You see, if a woman says she wants the next man in a relationship, as I said before, one, there's no exploring there. Two, there's no curiosity which still fall under exploring. And if she wants the next man in a relationship, that means that you're not be pleasing to her she want.
Shut your shit. Right now you're talking
it's
shit.
Sexual. The woman is a sexual lady. That doesn't
Listen,
what about
just like
toys?
how
Why
a man
don't
fantasize.
bring
No. Just like how a man fantasize about having a threesome, a woman can have that fantasy too.
Yes.
It doesn't mean that you're not pleasing them.
Absolutely.
That's their fantasy. That's something that they want to fulfill. You understand? It has nothing to
just
do
like
with you. So I don't know why you're taking it this personal.
No, it's not personal. I never remember it's an open question for everybody. You get me?
Yeah, but you take it personal to the point where you're saying that means there's something wrong with me.
Yeah, because sometimes, you know, talk about
that means there's something wrong with me, so you are taking it personal. That's taking it personal because you're looking within yourself and wonder what is wrong with you, why she need another man in the bedroom when it don't have nothing to do with you. It just has to do with the fact that she have that fantasy.
Yes.
Just like how you can have that.
Yes, I understand that. But when I say me, terms meaning that me I explain myself on a wider scale and like put in my tools. That's what I'm saying me. Cause when I talk, I'm not talking myself per se. You get what I say? But when me do fall in, I just put in my tools, like say, I talk for them outside and my tools. You know what I mean? Also, personal.
Also, got back to the point where you said, all right, if you text a girl, say a waitress like you, probably because, as you say, we have an open relationship where when probably I look somebody to go inside the bedroom. That's why it's okay to text her to say a waitress like you. But no, otherwise,
no, we are literally there, and she said, "Oh, you know, some brother like you." You know what I say? Just to say if me was right. You get me? And then when it come to the task, she did, and waitress didn't give her the number, forgive me. But just to show you, say, yo, Man nah eyes out a road when me I deal with my partner. But me can know when a female look for me and I lost because me not
Me no wanna, me no look, me no know when nobody look for me. Cause if me forget what me I do that for, me no want to see nobody else.
when you walk past somebody, even if you have
All
Me
right,
no look.
you don't look none at all.
one touch
You
for
don't look
one
No,
point
poor.
there.
you have
One
Me
touch
want
for
make
one
it
point
straight.
there, which part you say?
you don't look on people on the road.
Me up on people for.
Blondie, you remember one time Ima said that with him and him female, one of the reasons why them no work out or whatever is because basically him something there. Me know why you feel like me I come after you and I
No
don't come
man,
me I come after.
at that moment, bring it, let me get fuck this to me. If you're not, me not care only one come at me, I'm honest, I'm gonna just speak my mind and tell me openly.
So he said, he
It's
said,
because Wolando, him leave the girl for 2-3 days and then not check her and then all of a sudden she find somebody for filling spot. Let me tell you something, this is a common thing with man, yeah? They have 3-4 women, yeah?
Nadia,
And then put on
hypocrite.
one pause, yeah?
Nadia.
And I go check her or call her for 2-3 days, yeah? And then expect that she go sit down and wait for him to come back home. No. Things and times is changed. Woman are wise up. No woman now go sit down and wait for you if you come
Nadia.
call and text me. What you feel like?
I'm tired for telling him that. First of all, let me tell you this, especially when they are foreign, because let me tell you this,
That's when I
when me
learn.
get to Jamaica, I used to sit down and my mom take care of me, which me still do that right now as we speak. But at the same time, America, me there, where you can work. So there, there's no way, you can't, a man can't bring nothing to the table to be honest. A man is a bonus in a woman life right now.
Exactly.
So,
And
what
when me
can
ask
you
him what
really
is him
bring
bringing to the
table for?
relationship,
Because
him
a
says
partner,
financial
you know,
stability and communication. Okay, financial stability and communication, does that separate you from the rest of the guys out there who are hardworking and bringing in financial stability as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You talk
That
now
is
why
so
that's
you
here, but
right
you
now,
kind
a man can't do
Nadia
nothing
talk
to
with
the table right now,
Nadia talk with
woman.
her rage, you know, like she ignorant for money, you know. You see me?
No, I'm not ignorant for man. It's what you say based on what me ask. What me asking at the comments
Alright,
is
look here.
all of that what you have bringing to the table. Because if
And
you
all
need
let me
me
tell
to
you
sit
this.
down and wait round by you,
Hold on,
what
pull
you
up the
bringing
comment
to my
section,
table
so.
to have me sitting waiting?
Him leave 2 days, probably it's not the first time I do it. Probably
When
had
gone
too
for
many
2 days, ladies,
friends.
when gone for 2 days, we couldn't know about it.
The comment
So
section,
you
I'm
say
going up
something,
there,
you
tell
might
them
leave for 2 days and then the next day say the woman have a next man. Probably it's not 2 days. You think in your mind say you leave for 2 days, but you left more than 2 days, meaning
Alright.
over and over. It's
Alright,
a
so
cycle.
look on this. Bing, look on this. Come on, ladies. Remember, you know, we are communicating, we're not taking it personal. Alright, so if him live near a workplace, right? Boom, live near a workplace. But for come look for you them not live together, him live near a workplace. It take him less than 5 minutes to go to a female workplace, right? But with you, it take him up to 45 minutes or 30, right? Depends on traffic. For him go a feel. Me I make sure Matt so this is the best way, you know, come there and me analyze on so now whenever the story I come from, half a way say. Watch this. I take 45 to 30 minutes for go to work. So if him work 4 days a week or 3 days a week, and him take the 3 days of female and still communicate with Uno. Like, why not feel like him a cheat?
Me not feel like him a cheat.
You have to come. You have to first of all you have to communicate with reasoning. Meaning say, all right, you work 4 days a week, you say 4 days a week, right? And you know come to me that 1 day, 2 days there. Why you can't come on 1 day in a week? Yes, you can communicate with me, but why you can't look for me 1 day in a week?
Alright.
Somebody
Suppose yeah.
you understand?
Yeah. But suppose you have an understanding where them only work 3 to 4 days in a week. So if you not work
Somebody I have feedback. The live not clear because me keep me a strain to hear you.
Wait him again.
the fun, some
The
fun.
one, the father.
A father with a good breeze. A
Okay.
father with a good breeze on Florida, man. You see me?
Oh, sorry. I'm carrying on my phone, so.
Alright, watch this now.
So even if you can't come, can I come? Cause me not come. Cause me gonna understand. So you're busy and you work there, so and me probably have more free time. So can I come? If I can't come, or you can't come, that's where the problem cause. That's where the me gonna say a problem cause it's suspicious. Why me can't come at your yard or you can't come at my yard and you always so busy and you only can communicate on phone. That means you have an next woman and you can communicate while while the woman there beside you. So that's what me to start free. But if you give me
You
ample
told
amount
me
of
a while
affection
ago.
and time,
Yo, yeah, give an
it's good.
example and an answer back and continue. That dangerous girl, you know?
Yeah, thing a normal lobby. The
Epic,
analogy on life, you know, be.
Epic, guess what I go on?
What I mean, Mr. What I'm not blind.
Yeah,
Her analogy on life is different.
yeah.
I don't say, I know, that shit focus save the lady, you can't go on, so go and sit down with the
Carry on, so carry on today.
All right, look on this. As I may have said now, look on this. I'm gonna say earlier. You know. And remember, ladies, when there's a reason, when don't bite off my
comment
head,
your art.
when I don't bite off my head. So what if, as I'm just saying now, we not really put that and give me a good answer to all that, you know. The man just kept out and gone, where him
Show you for the
gone.
line.
If him gonna work and live near work, when I still have a problem with that, I'm just gone overall. Where what go on?
Hold on. You see, alright. If a man a go put me down for 3 days, right? If a man a go put me down for 3 days, does
Thank you.
things I need to answer? Does we live in the same neighborhood?
No, no.
Because if we live in the same neighborhood or close by neighborhood and you put me down for 3 days, me not go wait around, you know?
No.
Him say 45 minutes.
So
Him
you
say
do.
only
Where are
45 minutes away.
That's
That's
about
45 minutes away.
Yeah.
45 minutes away,
I-
okay. But 3 days to 45 minutes
But
away,
what
no.
All right, yeah, hear me, legend. Yeah, hear me, Nadia, but hear one female talk, you know. So, legend, tell Nadia this to me. Tell her, I say, what if him live near him workplace, when him go for 3 days or 4 days, outside. She not hear me, you know. Yes, me. Oh, that go.
What if you live in a workplace or what? Repeat, because me alarm.
So Nadia, what he's saying is, him workplace there, 3 minutes away from him, right? And where you guys, you live 45 minutes, depending on the traffic. That's how far you live. So him work 4 days in a week. Him work 40. Oh, sure. Sorry, my kids there. And a PT 20, please. Him work 4 days in the week, right? So then what's the days there? Oh, continue. Where you say the rest of the days there? You expect him to come look for you the rest of the days then?
No, you jump the gun. Hold on. You jump the gun. The 4 days when I work, remember, me stay near my house. Because my home is near.
I don't expect you to come look for me while you there work for the 4 days then. Because your house is near to you. Your workplace is near to your house.
What if you want me to come look for you on work nights and make we do certain activities on work night? Because I work on weekend.
No, let me tell you how I go. Me believe in a 50-50. Hold on. Me believe in a 50-50 in order to make the relationship work, right? So if we live 45 minutes apart, sometimes me I come check you and sometimes you are come check me 50-50. You understand? Me not go sit down and wait for you if you come check me all the time. Me I come check you sometime too. But the thing is, do you want her to come check you? Is it a relationship or a situation where she can come check you?
All right.
That's because of problem.
But look on this. Whenever think about it, whenever consider about the man says, suppose he might forget to work the next day and wanna forget but take care of phone business, like one of do. You not drive. Suppose him alone drive.
You know what?
No. You have too much support. Suppose you know so that door force where would you put the inches? No, sir. You full of too much support. Because now we give you a solution which part the girl can come check you.
Yeah.
Yo, you see, yo.
No, me give him a solution which part the girl can come check him and him a go round the next corner. So him full of support.
No, I can't voice my opinion too.
But what I'm saying is, you don't worry.
Me I tell you, fearless.
You
Me I tell you.
You have
You have more than one woman and you did a balance her. I saw the thing go and you put her down on a little part for a little 3 days. And when you come back, somebody name your food and you vex.
No, but me got not here before.
You doing much wrong. You doing much wrong. That's the thing.
Them time
That's
they
the thing, my
work
friend.
hard. Brother work hard.
Hours
Where
right.
bad in hell?
If you want to check somebody, and if you really like someone, you'll check them.
All right, look here.
So as you
But stop now. You work 4 times for the week. You have 7 days. Listen now,
Yes.
listen now, why me can't? You always cut me off and I will adjust it. You get me?
Alright, me I listen to you, me now cut you off.
Fingers are yes, Nadia. Fingers are yes.
Yeah, work. So the man work 4 days. You see, my father Epic work 4 days. You get me? I say, and him take 3 days go spend film woman. Him take the next 3 and spend film woman. But him nah leave near him work area and go look for her. And sometimes him will do that. What have to say about that?
We done this already. We done this say it already.
So what?
That is what you say.
So what?
We done set up already.
You say I can't feel back up. Nadia.
No,
No,
we don't
because
say
you
that
both
already.
said it. I have no problem. I have no problem with you not looking for me on your weekdays. Me not have a problem with that. They hear him. Suppose you want to look for me. If I want to look for you, I will come look for you. I'm not expecting you to look for me because you don't even understand. So you're working. So you're tired. You're time. I will come look for you. You understand? If you really want to see me, come look for you. But I'm not a clingy person. So that 4 days in, you focus on your work, whatever. But you see the day off, on your day offs. So expect you to come to me.
So suppose,
Yes.
about the doorpost thing in Nadia, no matter what that doorpost up there.
But that place suppose you come with.
Alright, what if you come look for your man, right? And your man stays so they're there with you over in here for the 3 days or whatever. You're there with him. And when you go back home, he might work at the same time. Do you expect him to drop you home or send you back in a cab? Which one?
No, we can't take my own cab. Anywhere, all the time we are there, we can't find where to go back. Me not expect you to drop me back or something like that.
Nadia speak to justice or somebody hear you a while ago about him for pay and this and that. Remember,
No, I said, listen. You know
why? Me have an independent mind frame.
When
Right?
girl come for you, you can't pay Uber, sir. But sorry, you're not
No, you see with me have an independent mind frame. 50-50 in a relationship. The same way me take a ride, if you can't come look for me, and me take a ride come look for you, we can't find no way back.
Father, me I do good.
Yeah, listen up.
I'm not in a blood clot, man. Sorry.
Well, me a 50-50 because me not.
A couple days that you can't pay my Uber, sir. Oh, you can't pay my Uber. I don't care. This is what we have to understand now. We are independent women.
Don't join the unity, so. Don't join the unity.
So hold on now. Blandy. So you are telling me, say, if me a feel your man, every time you come look for me have to pay for you come look for me. So I buy front for every angle.
If you have that mentality, you're not the man for me. You're supposed to make it so. It's supposed to come natural. Say, baby, I pay for you because I can't take you back to home. Right? Or if you drive, go back to my yard. If I don't have
Some women have a traditional mindset. So maybe Blandy have a traditional mindset where she believes say a man supposed to be the head of her thing. So a man supposed to support her certain way financially, even though she can't take care of herself. Maybe I just saw her mind state.
Bonus. And as we say, I never ask a man for money, but if you come here for 3 years, we spend a little time, we enjoy our life, and you drive, but you too tired for carry me back home. Is it that hard to pay for? Is it so hard to pay for my Uber? Would it be that hard for you to pay for my Uber?
No, that's a different circumstance. That's two total different circumstances.
Uber. I don't see a big deal for you to pay for my Uber. I'm not supposed to go to my pocket to take up my Uber. So hold on there. But for the whole weekend on my expense, what can you want it? You're crazy at 2 hour expense.
No, we talk about two different things, Blandy.
Well, that's a fear. Alright, me now is a modern world woman which part me split everything 50-50. Because even sometimes, because me live in Europe right now, in France right now, and sometimes somebody asks you out for a date, you split the check 50-50.
No, sir.
No, listen.
Yeah.
No, a real thing me are telling about, you know. A real thing me are telling about, you know.
No, I know that.
If you, as a Jamaican mind frame, come to France and expect, say, when a man asks you out, him go pay for you, you might end up staying there and go wash blood.
Nadia, before that, I rather go send for my Jamaica man at Jamaica and make sure you put him money and make him take
No,
care
me
of me.
Jamaica, me a manly man like that. Me
You
a manly
mad?
man like that.
Please,
There's no way me I go on a date and you pay for it. Me
No,
couldn't sleep that
50-50,
night
them
and me couldn't
ask
eat
you
my
super
food.
Dutch. Split the check. Split the check. Split the check.
No, yeah, hear me.
Mad.
No, yeah, hear me. Look here now. You see, legendary
Before
now,
I'm eat
legendary
alone.
now pay period. Nadia shall split it. Epic, him gonna take care of it as a man. But you say if me not have it,
Yeah.
you say if me not have it, my woman can take care of it. You see if
Yes, the thing is,
it's
let me show you something. Let me show you something. Hold on, fearless. Let me show you something. All right. You got a woman go on Tinder. You find a date. You go on the date, yeah? As a woman living in Europe, you have to go on the date with the mind frame that this person might ask to split the check. You have to go with that mind frame. Now, when the check come, you offered, you want to split check like what we're doing. Now, if the man is a proper man, proper man from old school traditional views, it might say, okay, B, I got it. But
Yeah, listen.
you have places like Germany and stuff like that where they don't believe like man and woman is different. We have equality. Like that's what woman has been fighting for, equality. And as a feminist myself, you ask to split the check. Like your brother say, yo, we have split a check. Me split a check, I'm not have no qualms about it after.
I'm a modern day woman, but I am certain of traditional. I'm gonna stick with my, as I'm say, my mother and my ancestors never slave for me for go to no 50-50 with no big strong back man. You want to carry me up, but you find me attractive.
Yeah.
No,
But me now, as a feminist,
Me listen, me deserve the thing. I may have my money, but you decide so you want to take me out. You're supposed to have the money to come take me out. But now half on a man for me for me before that I'm here to eat alone. Yeah.
But you're not answering what me say.
You're wrong. All of you saying you're wrong. You don't tell a lie out of your mouth, Blandy. All of you hate you for that speech there. When you talk about big chang back, my mother never be to split the big step with a big chang back man. I hate your bumper for that. Sorry for that. I hate you for that speech there. But you're not wrong. You're not wrong because me not think at the end of the day, no man to go take out no woman out of them house. To go sit down around the table and ask to go split no check.
Yeah,
I agree with your desk, but that's when you tell me, say, me after me work all week, me had good, sit down. And you want it Idi as much as me want it. And you tell me say you can't pay for Uber, come over me yard, come spend the weekend with me. Well, I will provide the rest of the damn weekend. Oh, you stay over your yard. I'm calm side chick. I know that bitch gonna jump in that Uber quick.
You can't Mrs. Palmer for the weekend, the epic.
Miss Palmer what? That's why me have side chick. Because side chick have Uber Eats and Uber on her phone.
You go on there with the side chick. You go on there with the side chick. You go on.
Yo, the man them always have a backup. Remember, woman has a backup plan enough. Backup man enough. You get me? Woman always have that enough. And our friend till him become our lover, you know? Our friend. Wrong or right, ladies?
No, me not have backup when me in a relationship. You have to understand my mind frame. Like if I am dating multiple people, and that's just me. I'm not going to be dating and investing my time in one person when there's no surety in where that relationship is going. But when you zoom in and say, okay, we are together. Then when we are together and we decide the monogamy is the way that we are going, then I stick to that monogamous route and I don't cheat.
As what I said, if I'm in a relationship and me and my man, I'm sure about my man and my man sure about me, I have no eyes for no one else. So there's no backup. Hello. You understand? Yeah. Where it goes to the point where I say, yes, I will entertain someone. Me entertain someone if I am a single person. I mean, I put my egg in a one basket. I mean, entertain you. You seem like you're boring. But just stop cut you off because you're just not my.
I'm still not a
Exactly. there's a difference between dating and in a relationship, and a lot of people get that confusing because you are dating somebody, you think you and them in a relationship, and you start owning up the person, and you and them never have that discussion or agreement.
Hold on.
Sign a contract, all that.
Differentiate it to me, I'm kind of slow. I'm kind of intoxicated. Differentiate dating and relationship for me, please.
When you're dating, you're casually seeing someone. It's a casual thing.
Which one of the sex involved in it?
Yeah, what happened on that part there?
No, all right. To me, some woman can sex a man same way and we still a date. We're not in a relationship. We never agree so in our relationship.
Explain, break it down to me. Break it down.
Yeah, because I feel like
There's two types of dating. You can have casual sex and you can have intimate sex where you know so this man is your man. But casual sex, so you put the condom on and you say, all right, I feel like honey. While I'm in this dating world, this man look like I can have sex with him, so I might have some sex with him. That can be a part where you can date, but that doesn't mean say me in a relationship, sir. We did agree so in a relationship. We never agree so in a relationship. So right now, if you're not going good, me I find my next person that I would date.
My little body special. Every sex is mere intimate sex. No casual sex and my little
How
body.
will you feel like?
No, this a little body, no casual sex that come with it.
Yeah.
Everybody see them body feeling scary. No sex that come with this. This is not a one-off deal. Once I touch, it's a lifetime contract.
So you
What you touch that a lifetime contract for me, but for you a what? For you a what?
Are you?
tell the man,
I'm starting to with this.
hear me?
For me a lifetime contract, but you can't get wet to anybody, no. If you sit down and wait for you, how will you feel like?
Me not say you can't get wet too, you know. Me never say you can't get wet too. Listen me good. Me say once you sit down for your lifetime contract company, so I talk about casual sex. Casual sex don't come in my little body. No, to your mind.
Yeah, but in your mind, you do casual sex epic because me know you do casual sex.
That reach me on my relationship with them. Boy. I feel like that.
Everything about my sex farmer.
You guys, all right.
My sex farmer, cheapy so.
Me talk about what me know and other conversation. But what I'm saying, did you actually sit down and have a conversation with that person in a relationship? Because in my relationship, we go on dates. And we're not talking about sex date we're talking about. Because there's certain level to dating. There's certain level to dating. It's the first thing I get to know the person. We're gonna go out and play cute and whatever. And then you realize that person looks like, you know, it can be like a sex buddy. But that doesn't mean that me not a relationship, sir. But anyways, where I can sit down now, because him said to me, say, if you're not conversation, we are trying this relationship. We're gonna try this. I am not gonna have you so in our relationships. So if you assume so in our relationship because me have sex with you, you go wrong. We need to have a conversation. Let's sit down and have a conversation. All right. This is exclusive. We're gonna be in our relationship. I have feelings for you, you have feelings. I can't assume say you like me. You not because we do whatever, I'm not gonna assume that. You have to tell me and then the actions follow. You understand? So when you tell me now, me sit down and say we agree in a relationship, that's where we get to say, all right, the dating done, make it in our relationship with you. But if you can just go as you feel like, one per weekend you say we are do, and me's a weekend hook up or me's a weekend dating, we're still dating. We still a date. Me open up to the next man because me and you are date. We're never in our relationship. You
yeah, exactly. Exactly. Like me have the same music, we're dating and me dating multiple people, and if you have a problem with that, then you lock it down and say, okay, we're being monogamous together.
You lock me down.
If you don't lock that down and give me that lockdown, then it's up for grabs. It's whatever.
So say you have to get cuffed then. You have to get cuffed, Landy.
We'll talk. Yes. You have to get cuffed. If we don't get cuffed, me a date. So you see me with that.
Landy, you know what I like you.
Squirt king.
You feel something like you, not you. Like listen to it.
Epic with the one special body.
No, because that's what man thinks, all right, man,
no,
you have sex.
That's what confused, man.
Sex with two more woman. You have a woman. So three man, yeah. Three what up, man.
On a confused man right there, so I want to do that. They get me, that's why.
Squirt King, stop flirting with Nadia.
What confusing in that? Fearless,
Oh,
what
it's
time
a
she go
confession.
tell
The
me?
twerking you look like Rihanna.
Sex me and know you have multiple dates going on, and I'm just a sex buddy.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean you have sex with multiple
No,
persons.
some man not do
So wanna
that.
tell me, so
Man have been doing that for centuries.
do they tell the person that when it's having sex with that when I date multiple persons?
I even tell you that.
Can I play my feelings and my find out?
Me not play with your feelings. But
Conversation.
no, but if you ask me a question, if you genuinely ask me a question, are you seeing other people? I would give you an answer. Absolutely. I am not lying. But if there's no asking of the question, why am I going to volunteer myself for an answer?
Hey, I you didn't tell me that you was in a you was seeing someone else. I say you never asked me. You never asked.
So, somebody really talk to people and ask what must somebody else.
Exactly, like
No, but this is like modern days epic. This is modern days. Women are not.
epic was still a learn. You see that woman evolve fast. That's what them there winner you say yet.
No, but you have been doing it for
Then
years.
I wicked now, Evolve.
No, which way are wicked? Wait, epic can't do it for years. A 3-4 girl you up on one corner and a date multiple people at a time, and then no, you expect say woman now go change and get with the program. You think woman not change and get with the program?
Listen, I don't have eyes.
Nadia, I know some babe man never raped me, I'm a virgin. If a babe man never raped me right now, I'm a virgin. Not more, right now.
This is the wickedness with men. This is the wickedness of our face with men. Yeah, beer like them type of virgin out.
You're semi-virgin. You're semi-virgin. Yeah, continue.
But if I just thought we need to sit down and have a conversation.
You see, nowadays, women are providing for themselves. Women no longer need man for that financial stability.
Right.
Hold on. And women no longer need a man for anything other than companionship.
That is
You
true.
know, sir, every time, with no disrespect, with no biasness, this is my feelings, and I'm going to put on a disclaimer. What I'm about to say is solely my feelings, and that is not goes against feelings or ever disclaimer. But every time you hear a woman say that speech, you just sound like on a fucking ungrateful. Every time you hear a woman say that speech, brother, every time you hear a woman say that speech, all I can say is that una spitting our face to take care of all these years. I tell you, so guess what? We fight for equality and we get it now, so fuck what you did before. Or F what you did before.
Okay, can I talk? Yes, we are independent. I'm gonna say all of us are independent, but even in Jamaica, some women still need support from the men. Even here, we need support, but we can do it by ourselves. You understand? So if a man come in our life and help with, yes, it's gonna make our life easier. Yes, it will, but we really don't need enough. So you have to bring out the whole of things from the table, you know. You have to come good. So when you come with your foolishness and boy, you have 3 man, 4 man. You're not a second for that, sir.
Define come good. Define come good, you know, cause from the beginning of creation, the only thing only that provide was sex, you know, sex or home life, you know. And now that when now that reach independent, you know, majority of need a babysitter to run the house, you know. Because we no longer partake in a house life anymore, you know, because majority of females that are quote unquote independent cannot monitor the house and monitor themselves financially, you know. They need another female to come in and take care of the household, you know. So for you to be that quote unquote independent female, come on, man.
So come good means that we are not, some of us, probably some people still is like, some of us.
Remember, you know, females got emotions a lot, you know, more than man, you know. And man can't handle certain emotions when I'm feel it, you know. So, me just say, per se, I'm not ask for no friend. You and me a date and we end up have sex. Cause it's puzzling to me all right now, you know, my chip lick, you know. You see me, I wonder if that me was always in. I was just the man where they want to have sex with. But they got me an ask and no, watch this. So, yeah, date a female.
Well, I you a fearless, I say. Me and you a fearless, I say.
Yeah, so if you and her and you having a yourself as a man. So you're a man, woman listening right now, you know, cause men are have sex, so you reach a step there, you get what I say? We put everything where she do behind her when you start dating, you know. You get me? So anything where you and her do at the time, when I say, yo, the relationship with me in a no, you know. But she not care about that. She just want to say, yo, she want you for when she want you. Or here's a man where if she bring you out to take care of the bills. You get me I say? So how you know which part you will really stand if you do that fish?
No, but how you gonna know that? Oh, you know, so that's your woman. That's what I keep.
Me feel, come here, have sex.
Oh, you feel because you feel it, you think say it's right. Not because you feel it, that means it's right.
Sex, that's intimate.
Yeah.
So, hold on there. All right. Let me try to understand fearless. Let me try to understand fearless. Fearless, for you, sex is very intimate. But how much sex partners do you have at any one given point in your past?
I know my past, I used to date all four girls or more. I used to be a dog.
Are you having sex with the four of them?
Where them?
Yeah, I'll for the day, I put on 2 round, 3 round. I'm still coming, I put on 1 or 2.
Okay, so you do that in your past, but now you are, when a woman says they may be doing the same thing. Why you think that now that the role is reversed, it fuck with your brain so much?
Remember, we passed the subject, we passed the topic a long time, and I want to come back to the topic.
Yeah, but why is it fucking with your mind that much? Why?
How is it hurting you?
Yeah, because you
know, say a woman can't done. A woman can't done. So if a man can't,
what mean a man can't
done? A man can't done. You know, a man can't done.
Anything can done.
A man can done. A man can done.
Okay.
You see when them both,
for the black and white.
so you get calling out the man who can't turn up, you know. The man who can't turn up is dead. Right away, you lick it, suck it, he's dead. But a woman, it's still there. So a body, a young man.
Hear me, man. If you want to get technical, if you know I get technical, you know. Enough woman out there hold a good unless you you know. Once they come that not good again, you know. Kind of a slip and slide night like an icing, you know. No bother with that, you know.
No, maybe because you're
something. But remember, it's a hole where body can go in now. But when the man body can't stand up one bit, he can't in other use. No use at all. No. One use at all. That's why I see old man them, the big up in a big man them, I was get the young man them. Because
Alright, so we just say the big woman them are the young boy them, right? So you know, feel like say yo, if a big woman there a young boy, that means that she's supposed to fully experience already. Now go back on an old topic, my mind still hurt me. If a man take up a bigger woman than him, that means that she for done run road. Okay, get what I say? Because remember I was a dog and I was younger. So if I grow up, I look for a girl where
what's epic? How old are you? Yeah, baby, like say you're some big man, like me show me all of that, yo.
All of that old. All of that old little girl. No bother with that, Brandy, let me show you my ID. No bother with that.
No, everybody know you're a big man. You know you're a big man. We don't be your feelings. We are talking about fearless, fearless out back in my days.
Yeah, who's about fearless on them? No bother with that. No bother with that.
Fearless, is he the same age group or I'm older than you?
Right,
How old are you?
Alright, look one thing. You
know what I'm saying?
If you have a woman where she from the 80s and you from she from the late 70s and you from the middle 80s, whatever. You get the drift, 2 different genres, you get me? She's supposed to done road before you and have experience and say yo, when you get intimate with she now, you have in your head say yo, I hear woman this and that, she not gonna depend certain levels, you know.
No, but that's a one big man. She really want time for waste. She just want one nice man to please her and you know.
You get what I say? But the woman is supposed she date same way.
But also know if you are the right one for her.
But take a pin. You know why you are so fearless? So because you think a woman was born in the 70s, you feel like that she be done run road and she be just start be a virgin now all of a sudden, and that you try to tell me so we ask about Queenie then now just find her true flow.
Oh, you got big man.
No, but my girl, you know say whole heap of man were born in the 70s and something there, you know. A young girl them want, you know. They don't want them age group, you know, and they might do it for years, you know. Meanwhile, we, as a big woman now, what want a man now, we can't get them because them a look the younger one them. So we are try tell me say, me if you sit down and wait for a man, no man may come from with him age group.
Listen to
But
me.
woman be done run road after a certain age. Fearless, fix up your argument.
All right.
Fix up your talk.
All right, listen, look on it now. I put on the phone. Hands on this. Watch it. Remember what I'm saying, a woman will date and have sex with you, and she still a date other partners, right? All right.
That's what you believe, man.
But wait, no. I tell you, it might possible for me. I get one the whole concept together where we can look on it at an angle and say, yo, watch this. I don't explain what I get to, but watch this. You see, if me there with a big woman where she have experience already outside, you get me? And me younger, so she feel like say you're the same thing me I do. Okay, what to do? But what about Yanar in the same bracket? But she is still a date and a give sex. Remember, the two way them, you think that your woman this, cause she bigger than you, so she has settled, and she give sex, so she want you. Listen up, so she want you. And then, when you come to conclusion, what if you older? You get me? And she younger. You think that she a cheat because she younger? Remember, you don't say you date several men at once, so when the man got think if she younger, that if she have other partners, right? But honestly, man, come talk to my ladies.
No, but at the end of the day, you're stereotyping, and that's no fear.
What you know?
You're based off of things off of age group, and that's no fear.
Say the two way. We never argue with it. Say the two way. I wasn't.
Also fearless. Well, I am talking about the woman where Naga second for just one man because she knows her worth. And she's not just because she have sex with this person, she's gonna stick with this man when she and this man never have a conversation. But you have women out there as well where we just date one man and just stay with the one man and then unhappy for a couple weeks. We're not talking about them type of woman there. We're talking about the strong-minded woman where them know them worth and them know exactly what them want. If you not give it to them, they're going somewhere else. And you know in your mind, you know it's yourself say, listen, me and this woman never get a talk, or me never talk to this woman, so we're going to be in a relationship, and I have yet to prove to her I'm in a relationship. So even if she have sex with me, she's not my woman, because we never agree to she's my woman. You have to understand that.
So me have a friend. Me have a friend. Hold on. Fearless, me have a friend, right? And you see this friend? She just date one man at a time. It no matter. She can't juggle the 4 man or whatever. She can't juggle the dating thing. So she just find a little one man what she like and she date him. And if it work, it work. If it don't work, then she move on. But what I find with that method is that you waste a lot of time with person who are not fit for you.
It's same with my friend. She don't have a man up to today. She don't have a bona fide man. Why? Because as she meet one man and then text her too often, she has to, oh, we can't mix 2 man. But listen to me. Stop taking a one basket. Stop paying attention to that one man. So that man is not her.
You know me if you say? The two ladies them
big man, man.
The two ladies them on the screen.
No, I don't cheat.
You two are so insane.
You need to be in a basket. You're married, man. You need to be in a basket. If you put your whole of your egg on the kitchen counter,
He's a married man and he's a married man, but we never married for the whole of my life. And when my man meet me, he wasn't my only man I'm dating. You know they date him alone, and he know that. I make sure to tell him that. So here what? You see like you watch Flavor of Lover, the whole per man there, and you have a fight for my love, and some is adapt me though. Yeah, and some is stay so you have to fight me. And make me know if you're
competition.
Yeah,
competition.
Yo, right now, ladies, I appreciate you so much. Where when you teach me a lot to know, say, I'm going to a relationship, I just do what I do, and if I find out she do what she do, just hold me and move on.
I don't know.
If you're interested in a girl, no, fearless. If you're interested in a girl,
no, remember, fearless. You this is the reason you say you're wet. You say you will pick and point out. What I'm trying to say is have a conversation with this lady. No, where over there. That's why you're supposed to so you don't get hurt. You understand? So that's why if you're going to a relationship, where you say, sweetheart, all right, what are we or what you're planning to do? What we go after this? I like you. I want a relationship with you. What do you want from me? That is all you're going to a relationship. That's what happened. And then when I have that conversation, she said, all right, you're the only one for me. That's when you say, okay, this is for me. Let us try this thing. But if you say, you know what? I have someone else and we're just dating. Don't take this too personal. That's when you know where you stand. But you can't just go, oh, you're in a relationship and you just do what you have to do and do what you have to do. No.
All right.
That's
No?
and that's why you're single. Oh, I'm the on the
Yeah,
phone.
she just
And a real note, Blondie, you see me don't cheat. When me in a serious relationship, I've never cheated. Never cheated in all my life. Never cheated. But that's when we decide that the relationship is serious.
Yes.
That's why I say there's a difference between a relationship and dating. But I've never
Exactly.
cheated when I'm in a relationship. Never cheated. Me not
Yeah.
cheat. Me not do something there.
Yeah, you hear me? Honestly speaking, lady.
Me not cheat, I'm in a relationship.
Yeah, you
No, sir, epic. Me not believe that.
Yo,
Anyway, let me hear what fearless I
you
say.
see how quick Nadia jump down and say you're stereotype, you're this, you're that, and she go point blank, oh, you cheat a lot, you do this a lot. Where, what would you call that?
No, me talk about my co-host with me for reason. Me know him and him know me. So that's why me talk up in business.
Okay.
Epic is that how.
Epic, sir. That's why you're there right now and make me look like a bad person. Cause Nadia.
No, I'm not saying you're a bad person,
No,
but what
No,
I'm saying is,
Nadia,
me never
come on,
talk.
come on.
Me never talk anything about you. Me never talk anything directly to you.
Hold on a little.
Almost cool.
But what I said to you, fearless. What I was saying before you go on the phone is like, if you're in a you're dating someone, you should have a conversation before. Don't even. I mean, not like when a man come to me and say, "So what you want in the relationship?" What would you know? You actually express your feelings first. You said, "I like you. I want a relationship with you. What do you want?"
If
And then that's when you work from there.
Mama, mad. Una mad me. If una want a man come to na ask una that, oh, I'm gonna know. And when him do come to una find us a turn off. And then if una juggle 2 man can't.
That's just personal me. If you want to ask, I'm just like say with me. Me not like you talk, so what you want? Give me that. What you want, sir? Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Tell me what's wrong with. If me express my feelings to my man, me not gonna say you love me. Me not gonna say that. I'm gonna say, you know what? I love you. This is the reason why I love you. Me express my feelings and then I'm gonna open up the floor for you to express your feelings for me too as well.